Hello mga pits! For today's video mga pits, engine room familiarization ulit tayo. Twin Dick 2 at Twin Dick 3 level. Doon natin makikita ang main engine, generator, compressor, purifier room, ballast treatment, sewage treatment, cascade, workshop, steering gear, at wheeler. Kaya tara! At ito guys, yung main engine. Bali 5 cylinder siya guys. Tapos ito yung turbo charger. Ito naman yung reservoir tank or air tank. Dalawa. Tsaka ito yung main air compressor. Dalawa din. Yan, 1. Tsaka number 2. Ito naman yung panel board niya. At ito namang maliit na to, ito yung emergency reservoir tank. Ito naman yung emergency compressor niya. At ito yung switchboard niya. Dito naman tayo sa purifier room. At ito naman yung main engine fuel auto backwash filter. At ito, maliit na pump, ito yung sa main engine supply pump. At itong medyo malaki, ito yung sa main engine booster pump. At ito, fuel heater. Ito yung generator LO purifier. At itong kasunod, ito yung main engine LO purifier. At ito naman yung diesel oil purifier. Yan. At itong kasunod na dalawa na to, ito yung fuel oil purifier. Number 1 at number 2. Dalawa yung sa FO. Maliit lang yung purifier niya guys, pero mataas yung feed rate niya. Westphalia na brand. Ito naman yung generator emergency diesel oil supply pump. Naman yung alternator ng generator guys. Ito pala guys yung generator. Number 1, number 2 at number 3. Ito naman yung sa local niya guys. Pwede siyang i-start dito, pwede rin sa control room. Yan. Ito naman yung cylinder lobe oil transfer pump. Yan. Ito yung cascade tank. Sa taas pala guys, yan yung condenser niya. At ito naman yung sewage treatment plant. Vacuum type. Ito naman yung fresh water evaporator fleet type. 20 tons capacity per day. At ito naman yung panel board niya. Dito mo makikita yung salinity at yung switch ng ejector pump tsaka distillate pump. Ito naman yung main engine lobe oil cooler. At ito yung main engine lobe oil auto backwash filter. Yan naman yung 3-way valve niya. Ito naman yung high temperature jacket cooling pump ng main engine. Ito na naman yung main engine jacket cooler. Ito namang dalawa, yan yung ballast water treatment. Yung sa gitna nila, yan yung panel board. Ang hirap mag-operate nito guys, panay alarma. Maraming mga barko na wala pang ganito. Ito naman yung service reservoir tank. Yan. At ito yung service air compressor. Ito yung ginagamit para magtiktik ng kalawang yung sa deck o magamit kami ng hangin sa makina. Ito yung ginagamit. Ito naman yung dosing pump para sa fresh water evaporator. Ito na yung twin deck 3 guys. Nasa ibabaw na tayo. Level lang ng control room. Ito naman yung hydraulic power unit. Ito yung ginagamit magbukas ng cargo hold hatches. Ito naman yung accommodation aircon compressor. Dalawa din to guys. Na-overhaul na namin yung isa nito noong last week. Ito naman yung workshop namin. Yan, may lathe machine, diyan magwi-welding, diyan mag-acetylene. Yan. Dito naman tayo sa steering gear room. Ito naman yung calorifier. Dito galing yung hot water papunta doon sa mga paliguan. Ito naman yung hydro pour tank. Dito galing yung tubig natin. Pressurized siya. Ito guys yung steering gear. Yan. Yan yung rudder niya nasa baba. At yan yung hydraulic steering pump. Ito naman yung panel board ng steering. At ito namang sa baba, Yan yung emergency fire pump. Ito naman guys, ito yung boiler ng main engine. Yan. Yan. Yan yung auxiliary boiler naman, yung kulay red. Ito naman yung panel ng boiler. Hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.